STEP Project is specialized in high-precision sheet metal processing, steel, stainless steel, and aluminum using the latest technology. We have invested 4 million euros in new technology and equipment in order to deliver to our customers the highest quality and the optimum price in the shortest time. Our laser cutting, bending and punching equipment, all Armada 2020 edition, are comfortably installed in a facility comprising 5,000 square meters of working space, engineering and planning office. A 100% automatic production line with an internal communication network between machines that ensures an efficient and easy remote management of the files created by our specialists. Our team-fast interaction and adaptability, combined with engineering expertise and high-quality technology, allows us to find the most efficient and optimal solutions for the most complex projects. The art of metal engineering. Metal cladding for facades and balconies. Metal cladding provides protection from the elements and a striking external finish to all buildings. Due to the versatility, metal panels can be attached to the facade of a building in a wide variety of ways, each offering benefits in terms of construction complexity and aesthetic finish. Working exclusively with sheet metal, we offer custom, lightweight facade solutions made to superior quality standards with unlimited design options. Metal cladding for ceilings and interior walls. Interior decorative metal panels are customizable and can be used as feature walls, interior metal ceilings, or adjustable metal privacy screens. Besides countless sizing and placement possibilities, you can customize the panels to fit your specific design. Decorative metal panels are often used in upscale architectural designs, and they can be backlit for unique and impactful lighting displays. Metal balustrades and railings. A balustrade or railing is not only a key safety feature but should also complement and enhance the environment and architecture of its surroundings. Balustrades can be the perfect solution for creating a balcony from a flat roof or around patio areas. They may also be used as part of a structural balcony created entirely from steel. Metal gates and fences. Metal gates bring added value both architecturally and functionally. They provide several benefits to the homeowner, including aesthetic appeal, security, and privacy. Residential, pedestrian, sliding, or garden metal gates can be customized with modern or traditional, simple, complex, abstract, or ornamental designs. Urban furniture. The modern city demands an active and dynamic lifestyle in which both collective and individual space must adapt to the new functionality and flexibility requirements. We design and build sustainable urban furniture for public and residential spaces without any compromise in terms of design. We create in stainless steel, titanium, copper and brass using high-quality technology and the best quality accessories. Whether they are litter bins, park benches, bicycle racks and many others, these items allow people to enjoy a better, more comfortable experience in the outdoors. Pellet thermal fireplace and apartment heating system. 100% STEP Project engineering and production. They are automated central heating fireplaces fully equipped with heating pump, expansion tank, safety valve, safety thermostat, touchscreen control panel, self-cleaning pellet burner, pellet hopper and removable ashtray. Combustion control is optimized using a modulation algorithm which automatically decreases the dosage of pellets and air as the boiler approaches the desired temperature. Benefits and performance. No need for a technical room, remote control via application, 24 kW thermal power, efficiency at 94%, German TUV homologation. One-stop engineering solutions. STEP Project's vision is to innovate and explore sustainable solutions capable to communicate the key points of a brand. We operate with complete autonomy, managing your project from concept through design and production to its approval and authorization. We're always looking for ways to add value in everything we do. We are the perfect combination of creativity, skill, and business know-how. Our experienced engineering team and our cutting-edge equipment provide the best quality to our products. We provide various engineering and design solutions, and we choose together the most fitting for your business strategy. We design, build, optimize, and certify any solution, making sure that your vision becomes functional reality. From the drawing board to flawless execution, our highly experienced engineers deliver sustainable concepts with a high practical and creative potential for future applications. Our technical team provides all the drawings and technical projects in order to accomplish the special requirements for the airport authorities and shopping centers. STEP Project One-Stop Engineering Solutions.